Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Kensita Johnson, and today I want to show you this super quick updo that I love to do because it makes a bit bigger my bun, and now that the hair is a bit longer, it's super easy to do. So you just need a soft hair tie. I like to use the soft ones or even a scrunchie, but in this case I took the thinner soft one so that it's going to be hidden under the hair. Just make sure that all your hair is into a middle high ponytail, so it depends where you want it. Split into two halves, and then I'm turning them to each other. I'm going to make a simple knot, so one goes over, tie a knot, bring one strand through, pull, not too tight, then hold it into place while one part of one strand is going to be wrapped around, and then the other, and we're going to hide these ends under the hair later. I'm using to hold it in place to put my bobby pins with another elastic, and then I'm bringing over the hair from the top, and everything, the loose ends are hidden under it. So I'm using those bun clips, no bobby pins, and then just bring them over. This is the final result. Super quick, done in less than 2 minutes. You have your updo. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. See you back soon. Bye bye.